Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to link your PayPal account to Grailed. Here are the detailed steps to link your PayPal account to Grailed on the Grailed web app. The first thing you need to do is to start by launching your web browser and visiting Grailed at www.grailed.com. Once you're done in the website, click the login button in the top right corner of the homepage if prompted. Enter your email and password or use your Google/Apple credentials if you signed up with those. After logging in, you will be directed to your Grailed dashboard or the homepage which we have in here. In the upper right corner of the screen, click on your profile icon. Then, I'm just going back. So we're going to hover to the profile icon again. Just hover and you find a couple of options in the drop-down menu that appears. Go ahead and click on My Account. Now, once you click on My Account, it takes you over here. Head over to the left navigation panel and you find a couple of options under My Account. One of them include Payment. Select Payments. And it takes you over here. Now, in this section, go ahead and click on Payment Methods. In the Payment Method section, you'll see an option that says Powered by Stripe. That's to activate Stripe for lower payment processing charges on each sale. And you have PayPal. So click on Activate. It's not connected, so click on Activate. And once you click on Activate, then you start the process of linking your PayPal account. As you can see, it's performing a security check. And once that has been sorted out, it's going to take us to a window where we can now successfully connect PayPal to Grailed. Now we are in this window where we can now link PayPal to Grailed. Okay, so enter your PayPal email address over here and enter your country and your region. Once you're done, go ahead and select Next. Then connect a PayPal account to start accessing payments on Grailed. You can choose either a business account or a personal account. Now, once you do that, just follow through with the prompt to log in to access your PayPal account. But if you already have a PayPal account, or follow through with the prompts to create a new PayPal account. So after logging into your PayPal, you'll be asked to grant Grailed permission to link to your PayPal account. Review the details, then click on Agree or Authorize to allow Grailed access to your PayPal account. And once you've authorized the connection, you'll be redirected back to Grailed. You should see a confirmation message that your PayPal account is successfully linked to Grailed. Go back to the payment section and verify that your PayPal account is now listed as a linked payments method. The account information, like your PayPal email, should appear under the payments method section. If you plan to sell items on Grailed, this is optional. Ensure that PayPal is selected as your default payment method for receiving payment. Okay, and ensure all your payment details and profile information are complete, especially if you're selling on Grailed. Now, if you want to be extra sure, you can make a small purchase or list an item for sale to verify the PayPal is working correctly for both transactions and receiving funds. Now, that's the process for linking your PayPal account to Grailed. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.